Welcome to the CARPRO Paint Correction tutorial. Today, we'll showcase our range of CARPRO polishing compounds and pads, along with the best method for achieving perfect paint correction using a dual-action polisher. First, we have CARPRO UltraCut. This versatile cutting compound is perfect for all defect removal. It offers extreme cutting action, produces extremely low dust, and is suitable for all paint finishes. You can use it with both dual-action and rotary polishers. Next is CARPRO ClearCut, which provides exceptional cut in very little time while creating a minuscule amount of dust. Its cutting capabilities are extraordinary, and it can remove scratches as deep as 1,000. ClearCut is suitable for medium to hard paintworks and is body shop safe with no wax, fillers, or silicone. 𝗗𝗏𝘃𝗲 is an advanced one-step polishing compound featuring a blend of nanotechnology ingredients. It caters to a wide variety of paintwork correction needs, from removing 𝗑𝗶₁₀ wet sanding scratches to final finishing on most vehicle paints, including soft Asian clear coats. It is body shop safe and delivers fast results. For creating the ultimate gloss, we have CARPRO Reflect. Tested by professional detailers worldwide, Reflect offers a fast working time with zero defect masking, supreme ease of use, and the ability to deliver a consistent mirror finish on both hard and soft paint types. Lastly, CARPRO Essence is a unique blend of nanotech quartz, high-gloss durable resins, and fine abrasives. It provides a high-gloss finish with semi-permanent fillers and SiO2-based protective capabilities, all built in. Now, let's talk about the pads. The wool pad is designed for extreme cutting action and is suitable for both dual-action and rotary polishing. The orange polishing pad is made of an open cell foam specifically designed for medium polishing on many paint types. Its dense, elastomeric polymer foam interlayer helps maintain even pressure over curved surfaces and absorbs vibration before it reaches the polished surface. The gloss pad is made of a unique Japanese open cell polyurethane foam designed for high gloss finishing on various paint types. The incredibly fast rebound foam makes it ideal for use with both dual-action and rotary machines. Now, let's move on to the polishing method using a dual-action polisher. Start by applying 3x4 pea-sized amounts of polishing compound on the pad, spreading the compound on the pad at a low speed. Work in a 2 feet by 2 feet area. Use a crisscross pattern to ensure even coverage. Increase the speed and move in a crisscross pattern for 4 to 6 passes to get your desired result. Make several passes to achieve the desired correction. After polishing, wipe off any residue with CARPRO Eraser, which is an IPA solution, to remove oils, silicones, and polishing dust. After the cutting session with CARPRO UltraCut, continue with fine polishing using CARPRO Reflect and an orange pad. For mirror finishing, use Essence and a gloss pad. Here are some tips for the best results. First, apply soft pressure, similar to resting your arm on the polisher. Always check the temperature of the surface to ensure it is not overheating. Change or clean the pad frequently for the best results. Be aware of risky areas and use protective tape if necessary. Finally, check your work with a light to ensure all defects are removed. Thank you for watching the CARPRO Paint Correction tutorial. Achieve the perfect finish with our range of polishing compounds and pads.